Hello, welcome to Cooking with Granny and Mama Soul Kitchen. Today is Super Bowl day and we're going over the great value pack that we found in the frozen section at Walmart. I just want to describe things to you guys. It's an 8-pound bag that we bought. It was $24.95 and we were like, okay, that's a little expensive. I know chicken wings is a lot right now going on, especially for the holidays and also for the Super Bowl time. So I thought that this was the best thing to do. I counted all of the wings. We have the front side, inner wing part. We have the flats in here as well, which is good to know. Now, when you do buy it, it's really big in the bag. It feels like it's really juicy wings and everything. So what happens is when you defrost it, it becomes smaller because it's injected with, if you read, it says right here, 15% solution of water. So they inject it with water to actually make it bigger, especially when it freezes up. So I'm just letting you guys know when you thaw it out, it looks like regular, normal size chicken wings and flats. Okay. Now, the only thing I noticed is this is a better deal because I counted all the pieces and they were 41 pieces of chicken. Think about that. 41 pieces of chicken for $24.95 is really not bad because if you go to any other fast food restaurants, you're going to pay a lot more for 40 pieces. Trust me, because a 12 piece alone is like $12 or more, 14. So anyway, I just want to say there were a few things that was wrong, and it was like the leg was broken. See right here? So you got to be very careful. Be very careful about that, especially. I counted about 5 broken legs, and I went on and divided them up into another bag here because we're going to have different kinds of wings. We're going to have buffalo wings. We're going to have Louisiana rub. And these are going to be the fried chicken wings, okay? So I divided those up, so that's why I have them like that. But I just want to let you guys know I made it fairly. I put some broken legs pieces in here so it wouldn't be like, okay, why we have all broken legs and over here. So anyway, I just want to let you guys know 5 broken legs. I don't know what they were doing. Wrestling the chicken and snapped it. I don't know. There were a few of them that were like that in here. So that's it. Be very careful. All right, just want to share that with you. The great value at Walmart frozen chicken. Yay! Have a nice Super Bowl day.